Hello, how you doing, guys? What can I get for you today? A sausage? Yeah, anything else? You just want sausage? Anything for you? Chips. Sausage. Right here. Here we go. How's this looking? Looking good? Smell good? Yeah, very, very hot. All that? Feel it, feel it, feel it. Hey, very hot, yeah? You gotta get some lemon vinegar and salt. And you gotta chuck it on there for me. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Get some lemon on there. Very nice. Vinegar. Some salt right there as well. Amazing work. Now, what we're going to do is we're gonna wrap this up nice and tight for you. With the special name tag it. Is that what I spell it? Perfect. You say that?
拿着，先拿着啊，然后叔叔包好了，帮你们就贴上。
Some extra pins there, yeah.
Stick it right there.
And you can press all the
Now these chips are very, very hot, yeah? And these two are very sleepy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna play a little game. Ooh, very, very hot. So we're gonna play a game of hot potato. I'm gonna throw this to you, and you're gonna throw it to Johnny, and then Johnny's gonna throw it back to me. Are you ready? This one, catch, you ready? This one, catch. Oh, look right there. Go ahead and help me out, Johnny. Yeah, throw it. Yeah, very good. And again. Very good, yeah? Oh, very good. And one more. Yes, and back up. Amazing work. Well done. Perfect. No? Go ahead and grab this thing. Hold on. Perfect. And would you like any salt on that? You want any salt on that? Any vinegar? No, lemon, no. No, alright, cool. I'll wrap it up for you then. Yeah. One more.
Oh!
You want 2 bags? 2 bags? Yeah, all right. Now one more. I love you guys, yeah? Go ahead, jump in.
哦，你们今天开车买什么呀？啊，开车卖什么呀？我看看你们的东西，打开看一下，是什么呀？你们要拆开看一下吗？是不是一个 sausage 一个薯条啊？啊。嗯。这个灯还亮呢，你可以按一下。这是一个做薯条和 sausage 的车是吗？